Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, October 3rd, and this is my analysis for the US dollar index. And we're on the 4-hour time frame. So, on the US dollar index, my original analysis was that this was going to keep on going up, but this is definitely not the shape of a 1, 2, 3. That is definitely more the shape of an A, B, C crescent because the A and the C are very equal size. Now, I do see the possibility of this being like a big old expanding right here, but I don't really think that is the likely scenario. That is way too stretched out, in my opinion, to be an expanding. I think that more than likely this is now back into a downtrend. I think this move up right here is likely a crescent to this last move down, and we're probably going to get another wave to the downside. So today is non-farm payroll news, definitely a very big news event. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, it already made 1, 2, 3 waves up to a fib level. Looks like it's trying to push down. It honestly could push down before the news, but more than likely, these big news events cause like the big volatility spikes. So more than likely, it is probably going to go up. But I think there's a good chance that even if it does go up, it's probably just going to grab some liquidity, maybe grab some of these highs, maybe grab a little bit of a higher Fibonacci level before it actually ends up continuing the downtrend. To me, it looks like this potentially should be a wave one, a wave two, and then eventually down for a wave three. So I would take this information, I would apply it to the US dollar pairs themselves, and trade accordingly. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.